and welcome to my channel. I'm here with my brother Kyle. We are headed to my sister's for the weekend, so this will be a vlogging video. Yeah, let's spend the weekend with me and my siblings, I guess. We're headed down there because our sister's boyfriend is racing in Donington Park to watch the racing on Sunday. Today is a Friday, so we're heading there now, and it should be around 7 when we arrive hers. So we're just gonna have like a chilled night. So yeah, if you want to get to know what we get up to for the weekend, just carry on watching. Like these people are doing.
Sash.
At
the roundabout, take the first exit to merge onto the M56 towards Runcorn.
Manchester. Is that true? Yeah, det kan vara bra att det går.
Colore sono disegnati.
Bad weekend. I'm saying at the moment things aren't looking great. Their Jensen Brickley will be gunning for a couple of race victories as another lap taken away. Now another Gen 2 Cupra joins the grid this weekend. Brad Hutcherson. We used to see him in a bonded blue Audi. He's now in a bonded white Cupra, which doesn't have quite the same ring to it. But I'm sure he's going to be relishing the chance now to get out there in one of these Gen 2 cars.
Either or stays in P16 with 4 off at the moment. More laps coming in, being disallowed. There's 12 minutes left. And
As he goes out there with still plenty of time left to try
Record
and
enough.
third place. 2 Cupra out of nowhere. What a lap that was. Personal best in all 3 sectors. Sorry to
no.
there. That
Can get it sorted out as he makes his way down back with Alex Lee.
Not drinks, so I like oh, my head is horrible, boy. It is a Saturday today, and as seen with the previous clips, we had pancake for breakfast. We've done quite a few bits today. I've showered and that. We watched the Brad's qualifying racing thing today. It kind of decides what position he's gonna start off with in tomorrow's racing. My sister's laughing at me right now. But anyway, right now we're playing tennis. We're in Huddersfield for the weekend. It's completely different to where we've grown up, and it's busier, 10 times busier, it's bigger, and I feel like it is better in some ways. Tomorrow, Sunday, will be a different experience for me because I've never actually been to a racing place before. So yeah, I'm quite excited to see how tomorrow goes. Break time, round 2 in 1, 2. Oh my god. Vad kollar din kvar? Jag vet inte han väldigt bort det med problem det lika valde det lite. Game.
Oh. Whoa.
What is it? Oh no. Hello. Es wird direkt wieder. Good morning. Yeah, so we woke up extra early today. What time did you wake up, Kaya?
Don't know.
You don't know? We got woken up at 6:30 by Marlowe, Shannon's dog. But yeah, so we're out on the road. It's 10 to 8 now because we're dropping off the dog. We're dropping off Marlowe and we're off to the racing tracks. So we should be there just before 10, well, around 10. We're hoping to see like a Ferrari or something so we can sit inside it and take some pictures. If we do succeed, we'll insert some pics here, and if not, you'll know why. But that's what's to come anyway, so yeah, we cannot wait. Main bit of Charlotte. Ja, testan då där och det. Vem har teamparkerat?
Get my phone out.
Ja.
Yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. See you in a bit. Bye. Burger smell of one.
God.
I smell nothing.
Tror du det kanske passar till din? We made it to Donington Park and it's been awkward here.
In Donington Park.
So we're just waiting for the first racing to begin. That's so we're very happy. This is our first view of the first racing. Apparently we're going to be heading over to that corner over there, I think, later. So, and that's Kaya popping over.
Our charged car though, tenant trying a car star now.
Yeah.
Check it man, stop. Go. Hamra fo, a thar isgalwr.
Du fo'n erbyn ni? Am bod yn mor tyfu? Ie, gyda fi car weta chdi, bro.
Ia. Ia, o'n i'n recordi'r car.
This is actually nerve-wracking because I'm teaching Kayo how to drive.
Well done on that one, top of breath. That was a physical race. That one was a physical race.
Dal y car,
Well done, well done.
Dwi'n gwybod mae hyn yn fydd o, ie. Da chi'n neud hwnna? He? And he's gone. Yn barod yn Everyone this way. I think